What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fake Boujie. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I installed this beautiful hair that I got from ISHOW hair. I'm also going to be doing a brief review. If you are interested, stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get right into it. So I wanted to start off this video by showing you all how I do my hair maintenance in between wigs. So I'm going to be using this Salon Pro hair food, and it's basically just a combination of oils that I massage through my scalp in between the braids. I also make sure I massage it over my hair right before I put the cap on, just to make sure my hair is staying moisturized and I don't have to worry about dryness or breakage while I'm wearing my wigs. So next I'm just going to put on the cap, cut my ear holes, and then use my Got To Be sprayed to make sure it is fully secured. I like to use the blow dryer, alternating the cool and heat setting, and be sure to get those ear areas because it can come up so easily. Next I'm just going to cut it where it needs to be cut. Usually I do my concealer before I cut, but I forgot. So I'm going back in with the concealer and a big blendy brush, and I'm using a little dot, as you all can see, and I'm just going to blend that in for the bald cap method. And this helps to make the wig melt, like you want it to look as natural as possible. So ISHOW hair sent me this goodie bag, which included wig caps, this really cute bonnet that I have worn, and you can adjust it. Absolutely love it, and it's gold. These cute eyelashes, which I will be putting on. They sent me this information card, which has their social medias as well as discounts. And this is the hair, super beautiful. And this is their loose deep wave wig, 4x4 lace closure, curly human hair, and I got mine in a 26 inch. It goes from 8 to 26, and you can also choose between Brazilian, Peruvian, Indian, and Malaysian hair. They also make this wig in an extra curly texture as well, if that's what you want to go for. So it did come with 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and like I said, the 4x4 lace, and it is so well made. I love that the lace is transparent. It blends in. I did have to bleach these knots, but I do have a method if you don't want to bleach the knots, and I will have that video listed below. So this is my Ebin tinted lace spray, and I'm going to go in and just lightly spritz the 4x4 lace patch with this, being sure not to get it on any of the actual hair. And I'm going to use my blow dryer on the highest setting just to make sure that it's super dry, because if it's not, it will leave a residue on your skin. So this is the natural curl pattern of the wig. Super pretty. I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out where I want my part to be. I don't think I want a middle part for this one, but anyway, I'm going to pull the hair back and just see where it lines up at. I do need to go back in and cut my cap a little bit more, but I can do that later. So right now I'm using my Got To Be to install. I'm trying to avoid using glue for a while, just because, as you all know, I wear wigs a lot. So I'm just using Got To Be, and then I'm spritzing it like really good on the hairline, but also making sure I'm blow drying it to seal it and make sure it's dry and a firm hold. You can already see how good the lace is melting. They have some really good lace, y'all. And I'm going back in. I sectioned a little bit of the hair off, and I'm just going to go back in with the Got To Be, spray it, hit it with the blow dryer, and then tie my band around my head just to make sure it is holding extra firm. I'm then going to go in with my razor and begin just cutting the lace off around my hairline, being extra careful. You don't want to cut too much, but you want to make sure you get as close to that line as possible. So next I'm going to do my little baby hairs, and for this I just take like a thin line closest to the hairline, and you don't want too much because you don't want like super thick baby hairs. So I'm going to go in with my razor and cut them as close as, you know, I can, and just figure out like how long they need to be, how exactly I want to form them. And then I'm going to go back in with my scissors and kind of jack it up a little bit more just to make it shorter, so I can definitely get the look that I am going for. And to lay my edges, I did use Eco Styler gel. So I decided to do a side part, and I'm using some mousse to like hold the hairs back. And when I do my parts, as you all know, I do not pluck with tweezers. I don't want to put a hole in the lace. I just pull the hair with my fingers and just snatch it up like that. And to me, that just works better. It always just works. I've never had an issue doing it that way. Next, I'm going to take my electric hot comb and just smooth the hairs over in that area. I'm also hitting it with my wax stick, and this is from Cantu. And yeah, just going back in with my hot comb, the electric kind, and then I'm going to tie it off just to make sure, you know, my baby hairs have a little chance to mature. So I ended up switching up the part. I just liked it in the middle better, and it turned out so cute. I love the waviness of this hair, y'all. It is so pretty. Look at this. And whether it's curly or straight, it still has a lot of length. All I did was put some mousse on it to just bring out that beautiful curl and make it a little shiny and add luster. And it is so pretty. Very versatile. Usually with wavy or curly hair, you have like tangle issues, especially in the nape area, but I honestly didn't have anything with this hair. So make sure you all check out ISHOWbeauty.com. I will have this hair as well as some other information for the company listed in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, stay bougie.